Alright, what up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we are, as you can see, we are in the brand new 2025 Mustang GT. Kind of doing like a little first drive on the channel. This isn't my first drive in the car obviously, but this is like the first like little POV. As you see, we have already put 408 miles on the car. I've been driving this thing pretty lightly for the first 1,000. I'm gonna try and keep it under like 4,000 RPMs just to rake in the motor. I'm gonna do the oil change actually tomorrow at 500 and then drive another 500 pretty lightly, and then we'll be good to do some wide open pulls and whatnot. I haven't really done anything crazy. Literally took out just the carbon traps and then gutted the rear already as well. I did that last night. I did order some other things today, but that'll be a different video. Not gonna lie, switching from the Supra to the Mustang platform, I'm extremely happy with this. It's honestly not what I expected. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I am, but I do really enjoy this car a lot. I think it's just because of the script, the more like modern, like my buddy Marcus, he has like, I'm pretty sure he has the calculator screen in the GT350. Like I couldn't drive that, bro, if I'm being honest, but I do like the more modern look screens. I like how simple all of this is, and you can even change like the display mode. Like we'll put it in, I have it on like, I believe the sport one right now. I'm still learning this, by the way, so like I didn't even really play with all the settings. I literally just set my screen to this and change the colors to like the blue and the baby blue. If I still need to go through and like play with all my settings, even like for the speakers and shit, I need to go through and change all of those. I haven't really taken any time yet to adjust those. I've been just trying to drive, to be honest, trying to get these 1,000 miles in as soon as possible, so that way I kind of want to get some runs in, just like on the stock setup, just to see like where the car is at. It's been so long, but I haven't recorded in so long, so like this low-key feels weird as fuck, like commentating and whatnot. It's weird. I probably shouldn't have went down this way. Oh, it's not too bad down here. I wasn't even gonna drive this thing in the rain, but then when I came back this morning, I never put the car in the garage and it was already raining. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go out and record a video. My girl's back home cooking dinner, so I was like, I'll just do this in the meantime. I got nothing better to do. I'm gonna do a whole dedicated video as well on kind of why I switched platforms from the Supra to the Mustang, and then I'm gonna do a whole dedicated video as well on what I got the car for, what my payments look like, what my insurance looks like, and all of that, so you guys can kind of get an idea for yourselves. But I did get this car for a really good price. I also got trade-in. My trade-in price was pretty good as well. I did have to negotiate a little bit, and it got to the point where I was about to walk out, and then they finally came through and gave me what I wanted for the car. But I will give you guys all the numbers, the whole breakdown, so that way you can get an idea for yourselves. Dude revving his car. This dude's revving his car. I thought it was the speakers for a second. This dude was revving his car, bro. What the heck? But nah, first thoughts with the car, bro. This thing is sick. Doesn't really slug. I mean, as you can see, I'm getting literally 21.6 miles a gallon. To be fair, I'm like driving it pretty lightly, but that's pretty good, bro, for a V8. Like, that's one thing, bro. The auto start stop, that shit's annoying. I believe that's coded out during tuning though. I don't know if they have anything for this car like they do the BMWs, like Beamer code, where you can code out like your auto start stop, the warning screen you can code out, the seat belts you can code out. I wonder if they have anything for the Mustang. They can usually just code out all of that annoying shit. Because let's be honest, bro, I don't think anyone actually uses auto start stop. If you do, you're an NPC for real. One thing with this car too, bro, I cannot back this thing up. I don't know if it's I feel like low-key the rear backup camera is like not center, or it's just because I'm going from such a small car to this long ass car, but I can like not back this thing up. It's just weird. I love the brakes too. The brakes are like super responsive. Big fan of the steering wheel as well. Although these paddles are like pretty cheap, bro. These feel like I get this shit at the dollar store for literally $1. It's like super, like, just thin plastic, which is kind of unfortunate because like the whole steering wheel material feels like really good. Just the paddles. They should have did this like carbon or something. Like, imagine how sick that'd be if all this was like, you know, actual carbon, like glossy carbon fiber. Bro, even for stock, I think it's just because it's my first V8, like this shit sounds so good, bro. Like even with all the fucking cats and mufflers and shit, that's definitely got to be because it's my first V8. Like, I mean, it still sounds good, but like it's still like super quiet. I want to get some headers. And now I want to dump the car. I just want to dump it under the car, save a little bit of weight. Red light, bro. Oh my god. Well, I'm about to end the video here. My GoPro is about to overheat, so make sure you guys go drop a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, all that good shit. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.